Okay, so here we have is my new Gucci mini chain purse that my dad got me. Sorry, I took out all the stuff inside already because I wanted to see what fits in there. But yep, that's the bag and that's the chain. This is the box it came in, and that we ordered it from the Gucci store, the online Gucci store. So it comes with, just put everything back in the box, sorry. It takes 1 to 2 days, business days, for it to be delivered. But that's the bag. It's got card slots, a zipper, one big compartment, and another mini compartment. This is the receipt. This retails for $1,100. When you order it online, you can also get a card customized. So it's an early Christmas present. But yeah, that's what the bag looks like. And it's got a gold hardware, gold chain. It's got one whole compartment for like notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots, big compartment, zipper, and that. It's just a good clutch bag. I don't really carry much, so this is perfect for me. And yeah, that's when I see a video on what fits in the Gucci Marmont leather mini chain bag, then just let me know and then I'll definitely make a video. But yep, it's not focusing. Sorry. Yep, there you go. That's the description of the bag. This is just a receipt.